how to install latest version of gaming services, fix invalid gaming services detected on PC. Tur 1. Restart your PC, close Xbox app and Microsoft Store completely. Restart your computer normally. Try launching the game again afterward. 2. Check Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all pending updates. Restart your PC after updates finish. Repair gaming services. Open Settings, Apps, Installed apps, find Gaming Services, click Advanced Options. 4. Reset Gaming Services, open Gaming Services, Advanced Options. Click the Reset button, restart your PC afterward. 5. Repair Xbox app, open Xbox app, Advanced Options, use the repair feature, relaunch the Xbox app afterward. 6. Reset Microsoft Store cache, press Windows R, type wsrreset.exe and press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store to reopen. Step 7. Reinstall gaming services using PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator. Remove gaming services package carefully. Reinstall gaming services from Microsoft Store. 8. Sign out and back into Xbox app. Sign out from Xbox app, restart the app completely, sign back in with your Microsoft account. 9. Verify Forza Horizon 6 game files. Open Steam or Xbox app, select Forza Horizon 6, click Verify and Repair Game Files. 10. Reinstall Xbox app and gaming services completely. Uninstall Xbox app and gaming services. Restart your PC fully. Install latest versions from Microsoft Store.